Meet the Gocator 2490. Leveraging ultra-wide field of view and large measurement range to achieve an expansive scan area. Gocator 2490 offers specialized capabilities for packaging and logistics applications, including high XYZ resolutions for complete dimensional measurement and volume gauging of boxes. The sensor also delivers robust 3D quality inspection, including detection of surface defects such as dents, tears, punctures, and folds. In addition, the 2490 provides a powerful vision solution for applications in food processing, wood optimization, and automotive manufacturing.